Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to clone applications on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, we're not going to use any third-party application here as it's pretty pointless. And why would we? Because, well, we have an official Samsung application that lets us do that. And it's not anything like app cloner or anything, it's secure folder. In order to find it, we have to scroll all the way down inside the settings. Then you want to find, actually not all the way down, but we want to find security and privacy. In here, we want to scroll all the way down and click more security settings. Then we want to hit secure folder and we want to press continue. And now our phone will create secure folder. Secure folder is basically a way for you to set passwords for applications. However, its additional feature is actually cloning the applications that are inside of it. One problem is that you have to set up a password. Obviously, you can just set up a PIN and something easy to remember. I will just choose 1, 2, 3, 4. But you can basically choose between 3 of those options, whatever you like. You can also allow or don't allow if you want to reset the password using Samsung account. I will hit don't allow. But if you do remember, you forget it, you will have a problem because you won't be able to actually get inside your cloned applications. Now you hit next, and in here we can see our secure folder. And as you can see here, all these applications have this little lock icon, meaning that they are currently cloned. I will see what I mean. You will see what I mean in a moment. As you can see here is our normal gallery. And if we go to it, we can see that we have some bunch of, well, random screenshots inside of it. However, if you would want to go to the gallery inside the secure folder, we can see that it's empty because it's the same application, like it's the clone of the application, but they do not share the same data. And obviously you don't have to manually go into secure folder. You can press and hold your finger and then hit add to home. And as you can see here, we have the second gallery. And obviously the only difference actually between those is that this one is a clone because it has the secure folder icon. Now the only problem is whenever you lock your screen, and for example normal gallery works fine, but if you want to go inside your gallery, you will have to input a password every time you lock your screen. In order to actually disable it, or just change it to something else, we can go back to our secure folder, then hit those 3 dots here, click settings, and the second option, auto lock secure folder. If you only want to use secure folder to just clone the applications and you don't care about security or the password, I would advise you to choose the last option when the phone restarts, meaning that no matter how many times I'm going to actually turn off my screen, I won't have to input my password whenever I use my applications. Only when I restart the phone, because sadly the setting cannot be disabled entirely. And the last thing is obviously adding new applications, and you can easily do that by going to secure folder and then hitting the plus icon here. And you can see all your applications, and you can also download new ones. So let's say I want to, for some reason, copy my Facebook and my clock here. I simply hit add, and now I have completely different clocks. As this clock, let's say we want to, we can add an alarm for, let's say, I don't know, 2 p.m. sorry. We want to hit save, and if we go back to our normal clock, we'll see that the settings cannot be found because I did it on the other clone on my clock applications. And just like before, we can just move the secure folder itself to the home screen, and we can also extract the clock application from the secure folder and get it inside my home screen. So now I have 2 applications, and I have how many clones of different applications how I want to. Obviously you can have 3 clones. If you want to have 3 clones of the same applications, then you probably need to download a third-party application, as I don't think you can add another clock to the secure folder or install another secure folder. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.